I started this Pyramid Spiritual Society movement 40 years back when I became enlightened about my own purpose of life. I was in search for truth since my childhood. Then finally I stumbled upon Anapanasati meditation technique from one of my friends way back in the year 1976. Then I practiced meditation. Then I realized my own past lives and the purpose of current life. And when I started reading enormously all the spiritual masters of the world, I must have read in these 40 years more than 1 lakh spiritual masters and spiritual books. And when I became enlightened, I knew that I had to do something for the whole society. I started teaching meditation to everybody. I was working in the corporate sector. I was working in the Coromandel Fertilizers Limited as the marketing officer. Along with my work in my corporate sector, I was teaching meditation to everybody. I was teaching vegetarianism to everybody. Everybody should be a vegetarian. The most important defined value for me is ahimsa. Nobody can massacre animals, fish and bird and be happy or healthy or think himself as a human being. No way. He is not a human being. He is a devil who cuts animals, fish and birds and eats those carcasses. He is not a human being, he is a devil. So I started my movement, going to every house to teach meditation, and through meditation they would become vegetarian. While I was working in my company, I used to go from village to village. So wherever I used to go, after my work is over, I used to teach meditation to everybody. This happened from 1975 to 1992. When I resigned my job, then I gave my total dedication to spread meditation to the whole world. I had gone to almost 80% villages in Andhra Pradesh. I hail from Andhra Pradesh. I go to each and every house, make them do meditation. And through meditation they become vegetarian. They become students of spiritual science. They understand that they create their own realities all the time, through their own thoughts, through their own words, through their own deeds. You create your own reality. And in the year 1982, I came to know about the pyramid power. Then I started making small pyramids and giving those small pyramids to people to meditate. They had very good results. Then we built a first pyramid in Kurnool in the year 1992 when I resigned my job. And later on, many pyramids. Now about 20,000 pyramids have been constructed in 20,000 villages all over India and some parts of the world too. When you do meditation inside a pyramid, your meditation becomes thrice more powerful. When you do meditation in a forest, your meditation becomes thrice more powerful. When you do meditation with music, nice instrumental music, classical music, then your meditation becomes thrice more powerful. When you do meditation in a group, your meditation becomes thrice more powerful. So I have been doing all these things for so many years. Now millions of people have become Buddhas through the practice of Anapanasati meditation, and they have all become vegetarian. They are all teaching meditation to everybody. A big revolution has happened in rural India, in the urban India, in different parts of India, and different parts of the world too. Unless we define our values properly, we cannot lead our life properly. We don't live life according to Charles Darwin, struggle for existence, survival of the fittest. No. In spirituality, there is no struggle for existence. It's not the survival of the fittest, survival of everybody, every life form. Every fish, every bird, every animal has got equal rights as human beings. Whether you are fit or not, everybody has to survive. You cannot take the life of any animal, any bird, any fish. So the fundamental value for me is ahimsa. Ahimsa paramo dharmaha. Ahimsa means not killing animals, birds and fish for food or for sport. And another defined value for me is that you should realize who you are. As Upanishads say, Tattvamasi, you are that, you are not this body. You are a pure consciousness. The body goes away, but you will remain forever. You will live in eternal time as a soul. The body goes away, but you are there always. This has to be realized by every human being, and that happens only through meditation. Meditation is the most fundamental value. Ahimsa is the most fundamental value. So these are the two values. Ahimsa, paramo dharmaha, which boils down to being a vegetarian, and dhyanaha, parama mokshaha. Through meditation, you will get your enlightenment, ultimate salvation. After 24 hours a day, everybody should spend 2 or 3 hours in meditation, being with one's own self. Yoga chitta vritti nirodha. Yoga means making the mind waves empty. Not thinking of any other people. You must make your mind empty. After 24 hours, 3 hours should be in emptiness, practicing emptiness. So, in Pyramid Spiritual Society movement, which I have started almost 40 years back as a single man army, the most important things are learn meditation, practice meditation, teach meditation, and spread meditation everywhere. And through meditation, everybody knows the value of ahimsa, the truth of ahimsa, and ahimsa paramo dharmaha. Ahimsa boils down to being a vegetarian. You cannot kill animals, birds and fish. And you cannot eat those carcasses and be healthy and happy. If you want to be healthy, if you want to be happy, you must become a vegetarian first and then become a master of meditation. These are the values for me. And I went from pillar to post, to house, from village to village, town to town, country to country in the world, to establish these defined values in everybody.